Everyone can rise above their circumstances and achieve success if they are dedicated to and passionate about what they do. As I have said, the first thing is to be honest with yourself. You can never have an impact on society if you have not changed yourself. Live life as though nobody is watching, and express yourself as though everyone is listening. We must use time creatively, and forever realize that the time is always ripe to do right. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. After climbing a great hill, one only finds that there are many more hills to climb. A good head and good heart are always a formidable combination. But when you add to that a literate tongue or pen, then you have something very special. If you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. If you talk to him in his language, that goes to his heart. The brave man is not the one who has no fears, he is the one who triumphs over his fears. Those who conduct themselves with morality, integrity and consistency need not fear the forces of inhumanity and cruelty. There are few misfortunes in this world that you cannot turn into a personal triumph if you have the iron will and the necessary skill. Difficulties break some men but make others. No axe is sharp enough to cut the soul of a sinner who keeps on trying, one armed with the hope that he will rise even in the end. Keep your friends close, and your rivals even closer. Know your enemy, and learn about his favorite sport. Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. I never lose. I either win or learn. Courage is not the absence of fear, it's inspiring others to move beyond it.